In this problem, we're going to determine limits using a graph. There is no equation for this function that I have here in blue, so I can't analyze it algebraically. I mean, you know, I guess it's possible I could be asked to determine the function, but that really isn't part of the problem here. The problem is being able to look at the graph and determine the limits. So A says I want the limit as x approaches 2 from the negative side of g of x. This is the function g of x. So as I'm approaching 2 from the negative side, here I am on my graph, and I'm getting, looks like I'm getting really close to 1. So I think that 1 is the answer to this. You have to remember that the limit is as I get really close to the x value, not at the x value. We can see that x at the x value of 2, which is going to be this question right here, d, what is the function g of 2? That answer is 3. But that is not the limit. The limit is as I get really close to, but not equal to. So now let's look at it as I'm approaching 2 from the positive side. So I'm approaching 2 from the positive side. I'm trying to find the right-hand limit. So I'm approaching 2 from the positive side. I'm getting really close to y equals 1. Again, my limit is 1. So since I have the same right-hand limit as left-hand limit, then I can just say, well, I have a limit. I don't need the little plus or minus anymore, and that limit is equal to 1. It doesn't matter the fact that at 2 the value is 3. The limit as I'm approaching 2 on the x scale gets really close to 1, almost 1, just a point away from 1. That is the limit.